When you are finished creating your video, go to the right side and click on the blue or azul button that says Finish. And create a name for your video if you haven't done this already. Make sure Video is selected and select SD for resolution, and make sure WeVideo is highlighted in blue or azul. Then click Export. This will take a few minutes to process and export your video. Once the video is finished processing, click the Download button underneath Share. This will download the video and prepare us for being able to submit it to Canvas. Next, I need to go to Canvas and find the assignment. I'll click on the blue or azul button that says Submit Assignment and click on the tab that says File Upload. Click on Choose File and find your video in your Downloads folder. Click Open and then click Submit Assignment. Now you have successfully submitted your video to Canvas. If you have any questions, please email Ms. Priester at darcy.priester@mpark.net.